In the Account Payables module, you can define customers, make payments, generate miscellaneous reports, manage vendor debit credit, and handle AP invoices. Let's talk about vendors. Clicking on the vendor section will show you complete vendor details, such as the vendor name, contact number, TRN number, payment terms, and more. If you want to view a vendor's full profile, simply click on it and all related information will appear. Need to modify the details? You can do that too. Want to create a new vendor? Just click New. Enter the vendor's name. If it's a company, add the TRN number. You can also add a contact person, select the payment terms, and define the vendor's status. Set the allowed balance limit and fill in any additional personal information. After adding all the details, click on Create, and the new vendor will be added to your list. You can search or filter through the vendor list easily. The newest entry will appear at the top. Click on it to view full details again. You'll also see the vendor's current balance. Clicking on the balance will take you directly to their statement. If you see multiple transactions in the statement, just click on the document number, and it will redirect you to the related payment you created earlier. And that's how you manage vendors in account payables. Clear and simple.